So today we'll be working on a particular issue in Premiere Pro, which is lagging, or should I say not having a smooth playback while editing. Before editing video, you need to sort this out so that when you're editing, you will be having a smooth playback. You see, a smooth playback is a smooth word. So when you have a smooth playback, you can edit faster as much as possible. So this lagging is caused by several issues. It's caused sometimes lower RAM. Let me say your laptop is having something like 4 gig RAM, 8 gig RAM, and you're editing a video of 4K. Yeah, so it's caused by all these things and many other several factors that might cause it. Sometimes higher resolution and all that, and lower graphic card. In fact, many things. So we'll be fixing it. There's many ways to fix it, but I will show you this particular few steps, and in the next one I will show you more. Alright, welcome back to the Ultimate Video Editing Digital Forum. My name is Prince Daniel, and I'm so glad you are here. If you are just joining us, this is another day of our video editing journey. So if you miss all our previous episodes, go and check it out and learn more. So before we start editing this video, cutting it, there is something you will notice. It is lagging. You see, it's lagging because the file quality is high, because I showed this video on 4K with iPhone, I think iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yeah, so what we are going to do now is to do some settings so that this file will stop lagging. So first thing I'm going to do is to go to edit, then I'll go to preferences, then go to memory. So when I go to memory, it will show, make sure this is set to performance, then this reserve application, reserve for other application. You see my RAM is 8 gig RAM. Yeah, there's other way to do it, but this let's go with this, because if your RAM is lower as 4 gig, you need to create process. So I will be talking about that one in next video. So it's set to 2 gig, so this is okay for me. So another thing I will do is to make sure the playback is on quarter, is half, this is quarter. So everything is set here, but it's still lagging because the file is in much quality. So all I will do is I will go to the beginning where my clip starts. I will select where my clip starts, then I will just click on I, then I will go to where my clip ends. Yeah, I'll go to where my clip ends. So where my clip ends, then I will select the letter O. Then I will go to sequence. I go to sequence. I will render to. You will see this render in and out. So I'll press on it. So everything will be rendered. Once everything is rendered, then I will have to play my video in smooth playback while editing, so that I will not have any problem. So that is it. Alright, so that was all for today, and there are many ways to sort this out, but I just showed you the quick process. There's other way that you can sort it out by creating process, which I will be explaining in next video, in coming video. So all you have to do is to stay updated, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell. Also hit the like button of this video. If you enjoyed this video, also share to your friends who might be interested in video editing. So thank you, and see you next time.